Before we jump in, make sure you subscribe for more honest automotive reviews, check the links in the description for the best current deals, and drop a comment if you've tried any of these cleaners or have questions about your vehicle. If your car feels sluggish, your fuel economy keeps dropping, and you're spending more at the pump than you should, there's a good chance your fuel system is dirty and costing you money every single mile. The right fuel system cleaner can restore performance, improve MPG, and even smooth out rough idling, but only if you pick the right one. Starting at number 5, STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner is designed to deep clean the entire fuel system, including fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. It is formulated to help remove deposits and fight engine friction while helping restore lost power and performance. This cleaner is compatible with capless fuel systems and is suitable for use in gasoline engines, including those with turbochargers and direct injection. The bottle is typically sized for a single full-tank treatment and is engineered to help improve fuel efficiency by removing harmful buildup that restricts proper fuel flow. In real-world use, STP Complete Fuel System Cleaner is a dependable budget-friendly option that works well for routine maintenance. If your vehicle has minor hesitation or slightly reduced MPG, this can help restore smoother acceleration over a tank or two. It's best suited for daily drivers who want a preventative maintenance solution without spending a premium price. The only drawback is that results may be gradual rather than dramatic, but for maintenance cleaning, it's a solid and affordable choice. Moving up to number 4, Royal Purple 18,000 Max Atomizer Fuel Injector Cleaner is formulated to improve fuel atomization and reduce deposits that affect injector spray patterns. It is designed for gasoline engines and works to clean fuel injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The formula aims to restore lost horsepower, improve fuel economy, and reduce engine knocking and hesitation. This product is engineered to stabilize ethanol-blended fuels and help prevent corrosion within the fuel system. What makes Royal Purple stand out is its focus on improving atomization, which directly affects combustion efficiency. In practice, this can translate to smoother throttle response and more consistent power delivery, especially in modern engines with direct injection. It's ideal for drivers who want a performance-oriented cleaner that goes beyond basic deposit removal. The small downside is that it comes at a slightly higher price point, but the performance-focused formulation makes it worth considering. At number 3, Hot Shots Secret Gasoline Extreme 32 Oz is a more concentrated formula designed for serious fuel system cleaning. This 32-ounce treatment is formulated to remove stubborn deposits from injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, while also helping to lubricate upper cylinders. It is designed for gasoline engines and aims to restore power, reduce emissions, and improve fuel economy. The larger bottle size allows for treatment of larger fuel tanks or multiple applications depending on the severity of buildup. In real-world driving conditions, Hot Shots Secret Gasoline Extreme feels like a heavy-duty cleaner intended for vehicles that haven't had regular fuel system maintenance. If you're experiencing noticeable hesitation, rough idle, or reduced MPG, this formula can deliver more aggressive cleaning action over a treatment cycle. It's best suited for higher mileage vehicles or drivers who want a stronger restoration effect. The only minor drawback is that it may be more than necessary for newer, well-maintained cars, but for neglected systems, it can make a real difference. Coming in at number 2, Chevron Techron High Mileage Fuel System Cleaner is specifically formulated for vehicles with higher mileage engines. It is designed to clean fuel injectors, carburetors, intake valves, and combustion chambers, while helping restore lost fuel economy and performance. The formula is engineered to reduce deposits that cause rough idle, engine surge, and hesitation. It is safe for use in catalytic converters and oxygen sensors and is compatible with gasoline engines, including those using ethanol blends. Chevron's Techron formula has built a strong reputation for effective deposit control, and in high-mileage engines it often helps smooth out performance and improve throttle response. This cleaner is ideal for vehicles over 75,000 miles that need targeted deposit removal without harsh additives. It's a great middle ground between routine maintenance and heavy-duty cleaning. The minor drawback is that it's focused specifically on gasoline engines, but within that category, it performs exceptionally well. Taking the top spot at number 1, Liqui Moly, 2007, Jectron gasoline fuel injection cleaner is formulated to clean and protect the entire fuel injection system. It is designed for gasoline engines and works to remove deposits from injectors, intake valves, and combustion chambers. The formula helps optimize fuel combustion, reduce fuel consumption, and restore engine performance. It is compatible with catalytic converters and turbocharged engines, and is suitable for both preventive and corrective treatment. Liqui Moly earns the #1 position because of its consistent, noticeable performance improvements and premium formulation. In real-world applications, drivers often report smoother acceleration, quieter engine operation, and improved MPG after treatment. It's especially well-suited for modern fuel-injected engines where precision spray patterns and clean combustion are critical for efficiency. The only slight downside is the higher cost compared to basic cleaners, but the performance gains and quality formulation justify the investment. When it comes to improving MPG and restoring lost performance, choosing the right fuel system cleaner matters. STP offers a strong, budget-friendly maintenance option. Royal Purple focuses on enhanced atomization and performance. Hotshot's Secret delivers heavy-duty cleaning for neglected systems. Chevron Techron excels in high-mileage applications, and Liqui Moly stands out as the premium, all-around choice. If this video helped you decide which cleaner fits your vehicle best, make sure you subscribe for more automotive reviews, check the links in the description for the best current deals, and leave a comment sharing your experience or questions.